In this video, we are going to be showing how to install select doors. To install the doors successfully, the cabinet should be installed level and plumb with two fixed Resant shelves spaced 18 holes apart. This ensures the cabinet is ready for doors. Install the hinge plate into the vertical panels in the second and third holes from the fixed Resant shelves. Use a number 2 driver to run in the hinge plate Euro screws until tight. Disassemble the hinge by pressing on the rear button and removing the cup from the hinge plate. Install the cup plate into the pre-drilled door holes using a number 2 driver to run the 2 wood screws into the door. Make sure to not over-tighten. Open the hinge completely until the arm is extended. Align the arm with the hinge plate and rotate the end until there is a locking click. Install the door handles into the pre-drilled holes using the included machine screws. Lastly, adjust the alignment of the doors by using the 3 adjustment screws to move the doors up or down, side to side, and front and back until the doors are aligned.